Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new channel. This is Yoda Trades here. This is the first video of hopefully many videos I'm going to be providing to you. If you follow me on Twitter, I used to have this channel last year. I deleted it all. I wanted to start from square one. So let me ask you a question. It's a serious question. Would you like to be at 12:58 in the afternoon on a Monday morning when everybody else in the world is working? Do you want to be able to have a White Claw and sip into a black cherry White Claw and have the freedom to work for yourself? Because I do. And that has been the blessing that I've been able to have with the stock market. And the reason I'm asking you that is because I've had a lot of people on Twitter that send me in private messages asking for some type of help or mentorship because they want to have a freedom for themselves as well. And if that's you, I'm going to tease you with something I have working on the side that I'm going to be rolling out soon. It's going to be called Yoda's Inner Circle. And the word says it all. It is a small group of people that will be privately in touch with me, mentoring one-on-one to help you become free like I am free myself. So keep an eye on that. I'm going to keep you posted on when that is going to be happening. So for now, let's talk about Apple and why I took this trade. Now, today, I did not have a lot of confidence in the market, to be quite honest with you. We had the bank situation over the weekend. We have FOMC happening, and I just want to be cautious. So for that reason, my game plan was to trade two contracts of Apple. I really like Apple's setup. I'm going to tell you why in a second. If you're new to me and my style of trading, I don't use no indicators at all. I do not have any. I rely on key levels of support and resistance and price action to help me make the trade and then get in, get out, make my money, and go about my day. So let's talk about this trade. Come along with me. I'm going to take off the camera so you can focus on me, or my chart, should I say. Okay, so here we go. So Apple, why did I pick Apple? Well, let's start with a 4-hour time frame here. Okay, let's see. 4-hour time frame. And you can see that Apple has had quite the bunch of rejections, hasn't it? So you can see it's rejected the 156 level one time, two time, three times, four times, five times, six times, seven times, and today an eighth time. To me, that's strong. So here's why I'm looking at Apple, because I'm not shorting Apple. I was looking to play calls on Apple. So let's go into the 15-minute time frame. But you can see that lately, these rejections have gotten more frequent. You can see it's rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, but then it's been holding the 154 level, which is a level that I drew right here in yellow, and that one has been holding up pretty nicely. In the last 2 trading days, it's held up really nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my game plan this morning was, okay, let's see if Apple retests an eighth time the 154 level and retest that key level of resistance or supply, which is highlighted in red. And I put it in red because that's a reminder for me that this is going to be a very strong level that Apple has had a hard time breaking. So I'm going to get rid of these lines right here. So here is what I wanted to do. Now I made a mistake today. I wanted to get in when it retested 154, but I was looking at Tesla because Tesla was having its own pop and I kind of got distracted. And I missed my entry. Key, I missed my entry. Meaning, I'm going to wait for the next entry. So this yellow line right here is the previous day close, which is right here at 155 even. Now, to me, the previous day close is a key level intraday for the stocks that I look at, which is my basket of 5 or 6 stocks. So I needed Apple now to break and retest the level of 155 or the previous day close. So when it did that, I see the break, the retest right here in this candle, and I got in when it broke above right here with 2 contracts, and I sold when this doji candle started forming, and you can see the rejections right here as well. And I make $250 today. That P&L is posted on Twitter. So you can see now that Apple is starting to break above this level. And this is a second break. So tomorrow is going to be a good day to watch this for an actual break and retest. So this is not a break and retest. This is a breakout. Two different things. A breakout is when the stock breaks out over a level. What I'm looking for tomorrow in Apple is for maybe the pre-market, let's say it's up here. I'm going to wait for a real retest of the level and perhaps a move higher up depending of market conditions. So I'm going to be looking at this. Now, obviously I could make a little bit more money. I missed my entry. But one thing I've learned now to do is to have FOMO and get in between entries. Imagine if you are, at a train station, right? And I'm gonna look at you for this one right here. Imagine you're at a train station and you missed your entry, like the station, the train took off. You missed it. You missed the train. What do you have to do? You have to now wait for the next stop. You don't ever jump in the middle of the train when it's running, because what? You're gonna get killed. And the same thing happens with the stock market. If you get in because you're feeling this FOMO, oh my God, the train took off, then what's gonna happen? You're gonna get canned. And in this case, obviously the stock kept going, but many times it can reverse. So this is not where to get in because it could fail. I needed to have some type of confirmation. So anyways, hopefully this video works out for you guys. I'm going to be making videos with consistency. And look out for Yoda's Inner Circle. If you have any questions on it, please send me a message on Twitter. I would love to give you more information on this. And, let's go on this. There we go. Let's go on this journey together. Let's all be free from the boss and the 9 to 5. And have your own white claw. Till next time, this is Yoda Trades, and may the market be with you.